Alright, so I want to show you one more problem about how to simplify and try to graph a function with a, I don't know, we'll throw some different transformations in here. So let's just make up an equation. How about y equals -2 sine of, we'll say 3x plus pi. Alright, so say we're going to need to graph this function right here. So the first thing you need to do is you need to factor out the 3 here. And when we take out this 3, that means that we're going to have the equation y equals -2 sine, disregard my son coughing in the back, x plus, and then this becomes a pi over 3 because you are factoring this out. So what we should do is write out what all is happening in our graph. And this could give you some points on your test also, or on your quiz. So the first thing you have is this negative. Well, that means that you're going to have a reflection. Okay, and that's going to be a reflection over the x-axis. The 2, so if you pick the 2 here, this 2 means you're going to have an amplitude of 2. So that means you're going up 2, down 2. The 3, this 3 out here, helps you find your period. So the period is going to be from 2 pi, or actually it's going to be a length of 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 is the length of it. So then the last thing is you have a phase shift. And your phase shift is going to be this value right here. Now this is going to be, since it's a plus pi over 3, that is left pi over 3. So when we draw our graph, we're going to need to make a little line here. We know we're going to have to shift it to the left pi over 3, so we'll go by pi over 3's. That'll be our interval we're going to use here. And then we're going to go up 2 and down 2. So this will be a pi over 3. Sorry, my pi over 3's don't look very good. This will be a 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and on and on and on. Well, if we are shifting to the left, and if our entire distance is going to be a 2 pi over 3, then we're going to draw our graph in this little area right here. So if we have
it.
Oh, you can't hear it?
No.
Well, what if these guys can't hear you because you're talking so much?
No, I can't hear it.
Okay, I'll help you. All right, sorry. Time out. Time in. So we're gonna have an S shape because we do have a sine. So that means we're gonna start at the origin or on your x-axis. Going to end on your x-axis, and it's a sine halfway in the middle. It's going to be there. Halfway between negative pi over 3 and a positive pi over 3. Or sorry, halfway between here would be a negative pi over 6. Halfway between 0 and pi over 3 would be a pi over 6. So that means we're going to end up, since we're reflecting, we're going to actually be going down 2 first. And then in between 0 and pi over 3, we're going to be going up 2. So the one period, you only have to draw one period, goes down, goes up. Oh, man, that was so not good. There we go. There's one period of your sine function. So hopefully you'll be able to draw yours a little bit better. But that's also just a quick little review of how to graph a sine function with a reflection, an amplitude, a period, and a phase shift.